In today's video, I'm going to walk you through top 5 coffee grinders. I'll share best grinders with each one and reveal which grinder took the top spot. We'll start with my 5th choice and work our way up to the number 1 grinder that I believe is the best of the bunch. If you are wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. Number 5. Baratza Encore Coffee Grinder. The Baratza Encore is a go-to for coffee lovers who crave simplicity and consistency. With 40 grind settings, it's versatile enough to handle any brewing method you throw at it, from a fine espresso to a coarse French press. The conical burrs provide a uniform grind, which is essential for getting the best flavor from your beans. Whether you're new to coffee brewing or a seasoned pro, the Baratza Encore's straightforward design and reliable performance make it a top pick for your kitchen. Number 4. SHARDOR Coffee Grinder. If you're looking for a grinder that offers both precision and convenience, the SHARDOR Electric Burr Coffee Grinder 2.0 might just be what you need. With 16 grind settings, it's versatile enough to handle everything from espresso to French press. This grinder is designed to make your life easier with its large capacity hopper, which can hold enough beans to brew up to 14 cups. The sleek, modern design isn't just stylish, it's also user-friendly, making it a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their coffee routine. Number 3. SOWTECH Coffee Grinder. The SOWTECH brand, conical burr, coffee grinder is a powerhouse when it comes to versatility. With an impressive 38 grind settings, it's designed to meet the needs of every coffee enthusiast, whether you're into espresso, drip, or cold brew. The precision timer ensures you get the exact amount of coffee you need every time, while the anti-static design keeps things neat and tidy. Compact yet powerful, this grinder is perfect for anyone who loves experimenting with different brewing methods and wants consistent results every time. Number 2. OXO Coffee Grinder. Grinder is all about precision and consistency. With 15 primary grind settings plus additional micro settings, this grinder lets you customize your coffee to perfection. The conical burrs are designed to produce uniform grounds, which is key for a balanced flavor profile in your cup. It's simple to use with a one-touch start and a timer that remembers your last setting, making your morning routine a breeze. Sturdy and stylish, this grinder is a great pick for coffee lovers who value quality and ease of use. Number 1. CUISINART Coffee Grinder. It's my favorite coffee grinder. If you're looking for an effortless way to elevate your coffee game, the CUISINART DBM 8P1 is a solid choice. With 18 grind settings, this electric burr grinder lets you fine-tune your coffee grounds to match your preferred brewing method, whether it's a rich espresso or a smooth French press. The stainless steel design isn't just about looks, it ensures durability and consistent performance. Plus, the one-touch operation means you get perfectly ground coffee with minimal effort. It's compact, sleek, and can grind enough beans for up to 32 cups, making it a convenient addition to any kitchen setup. This coffee grinder is designed for those who take their coffee seriously. It offers a range of grind settings, from ultra-fine for espresso to coarse for French press, ensuring you get the perfect consistency for your brew. The stainless steel burrs provide consistent and even grinding, which is crucial for unlocking the full flavor of your beans. Plus, it's built with user convenience in mind, easy to use, simple to clean, and compact enough to fit in any kitchen space. Whether you're a casual drinker or a coffee aficionado, this grinder is a great addition to your coffee routine. Let me know in the comments which coffee grinder is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.